It's Richard at Orange Campers, and you know how we love a colour pop here at Orange Campers. Well, you don't get much more colour than this. If Jess pans out, look at that beautiful yellow pop top. Now it always feels like summer in this van, even in the darkest winter grey night. If you pop your roof when you've got a yellow pop top, it's going to be sunny inside your van, and that's what it is. It's beautiful. We've done a few orange roofs and blue and so on, but the yellow is always the most striking. We've done a couple of yellow now, and it really makes a difference, and it lifts that feeling. You know, it feels like you're on holiday as soon as you sat in your van. It's a beautiful feeling. So don't be shy about being bold in your colours. You can be as bold as you want. Nice bright colours. It's not the end of the world. If you don't like it in a few years, we can always change it. So it's a great way to express your van and so on. So let's have a look inside. Beautiful colour choice. And if you notice on the outside when you were looking, we've matched the yellow stickers to compensate, to match the roof and so on. So it all ties in beautifully. Now you have to bear in mind this one's not been through valeting yet. I thought I'd give you a quick glimpse at it before it goes out, because it is due out this week. Lovely grey interior, cashmere grey and a brushed metal, one of my favourites. I always say they're my favourites, but every time I see one, you know, they're very, very colourful. White grey, I stand corrected, it's not cashmere. And it's probably because we've gone a bit lighter than cashmere, or a bit of a more grey tint to match the brushed metal finish. And what a stunning stunning van. Now, as you can see from inside the van, it's beautiful and bright. We are working on an internal thermal wrap, so you can make it full blackout inside your van, no matter what colour it is. You can have an external one for further really extreme, or we're working on an internal for that bit easier option for you as well. So if you don't feel like getting up, then you can put the internal one as well, and that will make it fully black inside. As you can see, usual beautiful refineries there is in this one. Hot water, oven option as well, Webasto diesel heating. Oh, this one's got a big inverter package. Now that's a lovely thing. So this has got a 3000 watt inverter charger under the seat there. It's all boxed in beautifully, nice neat Victron package. It's a lovely package, and it will give a mains power whilst you're driving if you wanted, you know. So it'll be fully off grid. We've got is it 270 on the roof? We've got 270 watt solar panel, Austrian panel, and when the sun comes out and you're facing the sun, and you've got to remember this when you are parking up, try and optimize the sun and angle your van so it catches the arc of the sun, and you will get, especially with the pop top version, because it angles the roof and it really puts some power in. It really does. It's incredible. Whereas if you face the other way and the sun's coming up behind you, you know, you're still going to get some UV light, but you can't beat direct sun on the solar. It works amazing. What else have we changed in? I think everything else is pretty the same. I don't know if you've seen the bigger cupboard yet. We've moved the fridges up in these vans, so it gives you a really big cupboard underneath now. And before we had a cupboard at the top and a cupboard at the bottom, but we've changed slightly. We've made a really big, more useful cupboard at the bottom. Just lifted the fridge a little bit higher. The door swings all the way around, so it's quite nice to be able to get across and stand either side of the fridge, which is a nice feature. But as you can see, absolutely stunning. It's a scenic tent as well, so you can fully lift the tent up as well. And this bed has got the pocket sprung option as well, so if I pull that down, which is nice and easy, don't forget this is our bed, where it just lifts up. You just give it a little push and up it pops nice and strong. This is our bed design, and it works really well. Pocket sprung with a mattress on top and a safety net for the kids as well, so very easy to come down. And don't forget you can stand up in this area, which is really nice. So as you can tell, beautiful van. If you're thinking of a van yourself and you want to be bold in your colours and you want a nice bright canvas or a nice bright splashback as well, I mean, this is quite you know, we have had customers where you've got bright tent and bright splashbacks, so you can mix and match and you can really tweak the van and make it so personal to yourself. So give us a call, come and see us at our workshop in Rotherham. We are having an open day soon. Throughout the year we have a couple, so check the website for those details, or come and see us at one of the Warner shows up and down the country. Again, you'll find those on the website.